In this video, let me show you how to set up Wi-Fi direct on your HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E printer. Step number one is to go on the display over here. You're going to tap on the menu button, go down, and one of the options should be settings. Tap on settings, network, Wi-Fi direct. Make sure Wi-Fi direct is turned on. Go down. Select, okay, make sure over here it's manual as well. If it's not, just click on manual. Go back. Then you're going to go up and select view details. Go down. And here you're going to see the Wi-Fi direct name of this printer, the one that you see on your smartphone or computer. And down below, you're going to get the password. Okay, this is the password, very important to connect. Let me show you how you can use Wi-Fi direct to print using your phone. But what I will show you next also works with the computer, Mac or PC. On your phone, you're going to go into the Wi-Fi settings. Okay, I'll go over here. And one of the options should be your printer. So the name of the printer that you see here should appear in the Wi-Fi networks that are around your phone. I'll tap on mine. It will ask me to type the password, so I'll just copy the number that is here. Yours will be different, so there's no point of copying my password. Just check on your printer. Press the connect button. On the display, you're going to see Wi-Fi direct connected, and over here it's also connected. So how do you print? Well, you simply have to open the file that you wish to print on your phone or computer. For example, let's say I want to print a picture. I'll go in my photo gallery. I'll select a picture that I have here. On Android, you need to tap these three dots on the top right corner and select print. On an iPhone, down below your picture, you should see a square with an arrow. This icon is the one that you need to tap and then select print. Once you're here, you're going to tap on the top and select your OfficeJet printer. Okay, usually you're going to have two of them. Select the one that doesn't have the HP logo. So this is mine, 8120E. You can tap the arrow and modify the paper size. If you want to print in color, black and white, all these, it's up to you to decide. And at the end, press the print button. The print will be sent to the printer and it will get printed. Okay, so we have the result here, and this is about it. You can connect multiple devices to your printer this way. It doesn't have to be only your phone. Could be your phone, your computer, your friend's phone, okay, for a maximum of 5 devices. And in this menu, you can see I have currently 1 device out of 5 connected. I hope my video was helpful. If so, leave a like, comment. Check my Amazon links if you want to get the cartridges compatible with this HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E printer. I'll also put links towards paper that I recommend and other accessories. So check my links, subscribe, like, and comment.